In this video, we're going to look at the Team Associated Apex2 Sport Datsun 620 edition. This truck's pretty rad. So out of the box, I was super excited for this, but I wasn't super excited for like the on-road kind of action for it, but I wanted to see what it would do. I've never really gotten too much into like holding a line on road and all that, but oh man, was I shocked when I took this thing out. It was hard to break a line. It went wherever I wanted to. It was snappy, and it was a lot of fun. It handled, and the lean and whatnot looked really good. It looked really close to what a real car would look like if it was pushing that hard. It was actually really hard to break it loose and to break it free, and it just kind of wanted to go everywhere you wanted to. I could imagine putting maybe a brushless in this, like maybe a 17.5 motor or something like that. That might make it a little bit more unwieldy and get it a little rowdy in the corners. Not sure, but it is definitely a lot of fun to drive it like it is. But in this video, what we wanted to do is we wanted to kind of pit it up, this versus that, and put it on drift tires and put it up against the Hoonitruck. That was I was almost left to the point where I was like, I don't know if I wanted to do that. And I wanted to drive it more with the rubber tires on there and see if I could really, break them down. We were pushing so hard here just to get it to do a donut. But we finally changed up the tires, and oh man, was it fun to drive. Super predictable. This thing's predictable with rubber and drift tires, and it slides. It slides really good with the drift tires on there. We're definitely going to keep on doing some more videos like this. I think what we're going to do is we're going to make some challenges, and me and the kid will do the this versus that and take this out and the Hoonitruck out. Hopefully we can get some cool little, put some wagers on it or something like that. Maybe he'll have to clean his room or do his own laundry. But until then, thanks for watching, guys.